How long will you receive your workers' compensation checks in South Carolina? My name is Kenneth Berger. I'm a workers' compensation attorney who handles cases in Columbia, Lexington, and across the state, and we get this question a lot, so I wanted to make a video to answer it for you. Your check should start at the time the doctor places you out of work or when the doctor gives you physical restrictions that your employer cannot accommodate. For instance, let's say an orthopedist puts a lifting restriction of nothing greater than 5 pounds, but your heavy lifting job requires you to do overhead work and simply doesn't have any light duty positions available for you. In those cases, you're going to receive a weekly check for 2/3 of your pre-tax wages. And those checks are going to continue until the doctor either releases you to full duty, your employer is able to accommodate your physical restrictions, or doctor places you at what's known as maximum medical improvement, also called MMI. MMI is the point at which you're not getting any better, but you're not getting any worse. In other words, your condition's stabilized and you've plateaued. When you reach MMI, the insurance company that's been sending those checks every week actually has the right to cut off compensation. Sometimes they have to do it by hearing, sometimes they can do it immediately. However, the insurance company recognizes that you're going to want those checks until your case settles, and for that reason, they'll probably continue sending you your weekly checks until you reach a settlement. However, if they do that, they're going to end up seeking a credit as part of that settlement for overpayment. In other words, they're going to make it a little less in that total settlement. Short version is you're going to receive workers' compensation checks from the time your injury prevents you from working up until the time you can go back to work or until you reach MMI. It's a nuanced topic that I'd be happy to discuss with you further. If you have questions, call me, get a free consultation, or you can request free copies of my books right here on the website. Either way, know that we're here to help you and to make sure your rights are protected. I'm sorry that you're having to go through this situation, but look forward to serving you in any way possible and very much look forward to speaking with you.